Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Here you have a bag. This is it's a fan for my laptop because it got too loud. Okay, so here, fan. And I have the MSI 65, the stove. So yeah, here it is. Pretty small. If you also have one and your fan's going out, then I recommend this one. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.